start off with the very first atom, which is the nitrogen, and only write that down. Don't list all the other atoms, just start with the first one. This is how chemists do it. Count how many are in the reactants. Check both reactants just in case there's a hidden one. There's not. You can comfortably say there's one that side. Go over to the products, check both products. There's only one. Perfectly balanced. Now go to the second atom. That's hydrogen. Count how many hydrogens are this side of the arrow. We got 3. Over here, how many? There's 2. We need to change those both into a 6. You're looking really at the lowest common multiple. You would multiply that by a 2. That immediately changes that to a 6. But if you also notice, it's changed the nitrogen. So change the nitrogen immediately, because otherwise you'll get lost. And that's become 2. Come back over to the products. Need 6. So we're going to multiply the water by 3. That gives us our 6 here. We also have to balance the nitrogens. And to do that, we need to turn that into a 2. And they're completely balanced. Now we can move on to the oxygens. We've got 2, and over here, again, check both. We have a 2 times 1 and we have 3 times 1. So we've got 5 oxygens. So we need to figure out how can we change this into a 5. We can't really, we're not working with halves. Next best thing would be a 10. So if we put a 5 in front of that, that then becomes a 10. Give us 10 oxygens here. We need to change this one to a 4, that to a 6. That gives us our 10, but it's mucked the nitrogens and the hydrogens up. So let's work with the nitrogens first. Instead of having 2 nitrogens, we've now got 4. So therefore, we need to make sure we have 4 on this side. And to do that, we need to change that to a 4. And now check our hydrogens. 4 times 3, that gives us 12 hydrogens. And over here, 6 times 2, that's also 12. And that's fully balanced.